Here we have the realistic DX-160. It was purchased in 1976. It does not come with its original speaker, but one that actually I think sounds better because it doesn't have the tinny sound to it. It comes with its photocopy of the owner's manual. And I'm going to turn it on here. I have it set for 11 meters and a very short piece of wire, which I figure is the hardest to pick up because it's the highest end of the band. There we have it on sideband or the BFO. All the functions work. The AM is a little quiet right now for the regular AM band. I don't know if it's my location. I generally don't have much AM reception here, but I don't get anything anyways. But all the other bands seem to work just fine. As you can tell by the case, it's in really, really good shape. I'm actually going to take the camera off here and walk around so you can see the condition of this. There we go. It's very clean. Let me bring the back end around here to the light. The face itself is very clean. If you take a look at the photographs that I put up in this listing, you'll also see that this is very, very clean. All the print is very sharp. The metal is very sharp. Very hard to find them this clean, this old. That's it. Enjoy the auction.